Well, hi, today we're going to be working on a pour over coffee. So the first thing that we always do is we wet our paper filter. That helps to get the paper dust off of it and also to warm up the carafe as the water seeps through. Once all that water is gone out of there, we'll go ahead and pour that out because we don't want to dilute our coffee. And we'll set that back on our scale and make sure it's tared. And then we add approximately 24 grams of ground coffee. Once that's on there, we'll tare the scale again, and we'll add approximately 100 grams of water to the coffee. We want to wet the coffee and allow it to what they call bloom, and you'll see a lot of bubbles as long as your coffee is fresh. And we want to wait for approximately 30 seconds until that bloom has completed. So once the bloom has complete, we're going to add approximately another 100 grams of water to the coffee. And with that, we're going to give a little bit of an agitation to it just to make sure those dissolvable pieces of coffee get into your cup. And we'll wait another approximately 30 seconds. And then once that coffee has drained into the carafe, we'll add the final 200 grams of water for a total of 400 grams of water for your 24 grams of coffee. And we'll let that continue to settle into your carafe. Once the water is gone from the filter and the cone to your carafe, you are now ready to drink your coffee.